Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, teacher. Be seated. I'm Lakshmi. May I know your name? I'm Jessica. Jessica, you're 15A. May I know your name? Ritika. Ritika, you're 15B. Now, Jessica, where do you stay? I stay in Alwal. What do you like about your place?
Compared to other places, it has more greenery and the environment is nice.
Thank you. Anything else? Ritika, what is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing basketball and listening to music.
Okay. Now let us move on to the next task. Jessica, you're going to speak about your topic, which is going to be followed by questions from Ritika. And after that, I'm going to ask you a few questions, which is going to be followed by Ritika speaking and you also number a question and then from the examiner. Let us start now. Your time starts.
I'm going to talk on the advantages and disadvantages of internet.
Yes.
The internet is a worldwide connection of computer systems over a massive network. The most common form of communication is one way, which is where a website is placed over a server and made available to all people. There is also a direct form of communication, which is through emails, audios, or videos. We also have the middle around form of communication, which is where stationary websites are used as mediators between two or more people. But there are certain advantages as well as disadvantages concerning internet. How we take it and how we feel, whether it's advantages or disadvantages for us, is all up to us, and we need to decide. I will now compare and contrast the advantages and disadvantages of internet.
Conclude.
I will now compare and contrast the advantages as well as disadvantages of the internet and attempt to focus an unbiased shine on both the sides. I would like to make a start with the advantages. Firstly, it has made research a lot more easier these days. If a person has to find out something, all he has to do is hop online and he'll get it, and there he'll find a solution. Internet has become the solution to everything. Secondly, it is nowadays a lot more people keep in touch with more people as well as the ones they may hardly ever see. And internet has also made it possible for them to communicate very often, since it's become easy, convenient, and simple to use.
Yes. Now, Ritika, would you like to speak about your topic? Would you like to ask a question?
Jessica, can you answer my question? Do you think internet has many advantages or disadvantages, and what do you think internet is actually about?
Personally, I feel that internet I would look on the brighter side. Internet is actually advantages because I wouldn't give much importance to the disadvantages, because disadvantages we can overcome them by following a few steps, but and they wouldn't be a problem if we have certain things to overcome them. But advantages is all I will ask.
So, do you think parents have to monitor when you use internet?
Yeah, that's.
What do you think is the role of the parents?
Now, since internet is available to everyone, it's free, and the children they should be restricted to some sites. Innocently they might go unknowingly do. So they should be corrected, and they should be guided. The parents.
Now, Ritika, what is your topic?
I'm going to speak on the topic nature.
Yes.
ever since the dawn of time, ever since the dawn of time, we never knew what nature was. But after the time passed by, due to our actions, we came to know the existence of nature. Nature is so beautiful when you see the sunset, the sunrise, the voices, the songs by the birds, and the wind blowing. If you see, India is a country which has vibrant environment and many things to look at. So, but mostly, but mostly in nature India has so much that you have to look at. But mostly people are not enjoying nature. For example, if you see some people walking in the park, and then if you see the people walking in the park, and then they walk around the trees, and they hear the sounds of the birds. But usually what they do is they plug in the earphones and listen to some music. So I feel instead of that, if you listen to the rattle of the wind, or enjoy the fresh air, or listen to the sound, listen to the music which is given by the birds, I feel it gives us much more pleasure and happiness. I feel that the world has a music, the forests have music, and every person has to enjoy it.
Yes, Jessica, would you like to ask her a question?
Ritika, what do you personally feel about nature?
I feel enjoying nature is something important more than studying or playing. I feel admiring the nature gives us a fresh mind before studying.
Okay. Now, do you think nature has a role to play in stress management?
Yeah.
In what way do you think nature has a role?
Many people, after a lot of work, they go for a walk. After a long weekend, people like to go for some tours. But mostly they prefer places like hill stations or that where you have the opportunity to see the nature.
Now, let us move on to the next task, children. It is a problem solving task. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you the problem, and you are going to go through the task, read the task, and find a solution to the problem. Okay? I'll read it out for you. Last week, your friend was hurt when the basketball hit him. Discuss with your partner what safety rules should be followed in the school playground. How can these be implemented? You have to keep speaking.
I think there should be certain ground rules that you have to follow so that all of this can be avoided.
I think he has to be more concentrated when playing the game so that he doesn't
They should be cautious before.
and he has to be self-aware.
Are you ready with the solution to it? Yes, would you like to express your opinion?
Like we have a say, prevention is better than cure.
Yes.
I think firstly we should set ground rules which should be followed by everyone. Then there should always be a first aid handy so that it won't become a major issue. And
Anything else?
they should be self-conscious of where they are, and the person playing, everyone on the field generally should be self-aware and alert so that these kind of incidents will not happen.
So, do you think any other solution can be offered? Do you think all this